How did this happen? How did this happen? دا څنګه پیښ شول؟ I will ask and tell. I will ask and tell. زه به پوښتنه وکړم درته ووایم. Which is it? Which is it? کوم یو دی؟ It is the red one. It is the red one. دا سور دانه دی یا سور دانه دی. Which one is it? Which one is it? کوم یو دی؟ It is the red one. It is the red one. دا سور دانه دی. Why not the big one? Why not the big one? ولې لا غټ دانه؟ I didn't like that. I didn't like that. زما هغه نه خوښ. Where does he go every day? Where does he go every day? دی هره ورځ چیرته ځي؟ He goes to work. He goes to work. هغه کار ته ځي. What do you eat? What do you eat? ته څه خورې؟ I eat vegetable. I eat vegetable. یا vegetables. زه سبزي خورم. What happened to her? What happened to her? په دې څه وسول؟ She sprained her ankle. She sprained her ankle. د دې په بجلکه کې واوښتل. وړو کې واوښتل په پښه کې. How does it work? How does it work? دا څنګه کار کوي؟ It needs 2 batteries. It needs 2 batteries. دا 2 بیټرۍ غواړي. ضرورت ورته لري. Why did you go? Why did you go? ته ولې ولاړې؟ I had some work there. I had some work there. زما ته څه کار؟ Where is he? Where is he? دی چیرې دی؟ At his sister's house. At his sister's house. د خپلې خور په کور کې یا د هغه د خور په کور کې. Where are they? Where are they? دوی چیرې دي؟ They're at the playground. They're at the playground. هغه په لوبغالي کې دي. What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? ته څه وخت ویدېږې؟ I usually sleep at 10 p.m. زه عموماً پر 10 بجې باندې بیدېږم. Usually عموماً. How do you travel? ته سفر څنګه کوې؟ I travel by bus. زه په بس باندې یا په بس کې سفر کوم د بس په ذریعه. What does he do? دی چیز کوي. He runs his own business. هغه خپل کار چلی، خپل کار کوي. مننه، ویډیو لایک کړئ.